I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Welcome to the beautiful LISGAR area of Mississauga. We're at 3971 Discovery Court. It's a renovated townhome I'd love you to see. Discovery Court is a family-friendly court. As you can see, kids play hockey here. In terms of location, you're literally steps from the 407 exit entrance. So if you're a commuter, this is ideal. In addition to that, there's parks, schools, trails, a lot of things that LISGAR has to offer. Not to mention, you're bordering on Meadowvale with all the community centers, theaters, etc. that they have to offer as well. Welcome home. Not only does this house offer you features and a location on the exterior that are second to none, the interior is spectacular and immaculate. Upgraded premium flooring, open concept design. There's a powder room on the main floor for your guests, and there's an absolute ton of natural light. Not to mention, stainless steel appliances have been upgraded and the kitchen has a walkout to the yard. Spacious, well lit, upgraded, all the definitions of this kitchen. It's family size with an eat-in area that walks out to the backyard. You've got upgraded premium stainless steel appliances, a center island with more storage and a breakfast bar. If you love entertaining, this is open, beautiful living space for you to enjoy. The upper level of this home features upgraded laminate flooring, a 4-piece bath, a primary suite with a full walk-in closet, and 3 very spacious bedrooms, along with a massive linen closet. So if it's storage you're looking for, this home has it. Fully, completely finished. It's a beautiful feature of this home. Mechanicals, interior, your lower level. Upgraded laminate floors, beautiful rec room. There's a games room that you can use as an exercise area, as well as a laundry and a full 3-piece bathroom in the basement with another storage closet. All this with an above grade window. Amazing feature set for a townhome. Looks can be deceiving. In this case, that's truly the case. This is not grass, it's premium Astro turf. What that means is there's drainage and you can fill it to give it more realistic feel. If you have pets or children, instead of having all concrete back here, they can actually enjoy the yard. In addition to that, it's almost zero maintenance, so you're not concerned about bringing grass cutting material back here. Finally, you still have a patio to enjoy dinner with friends. If you're looking for a home that you could just move in and enjoy, all of the improvements have been made for you here. These are quality thermal windows and doors that were added. The shingles have been updated. The furnace is high efficiency. There's even an updated central air unit and updated appliances. Add the flooring and the other decor elements. You really only have to put your clothes in the closet and just relax. Thank you for taking this tour with us. Beautiful location. Court, quiet, family-friendly, amenities nearby, upgraded mechanicals, upgraded interior with premium flooring throughout, and a finished lower level. What more can you ask for? Please, if you'd like to see this home, don't hesitate to contact us at info@matteirealty.ca. Visit us at matteirealty.ca for more information on this home, or you can call us at 416-557-7653. That's 416-557-SOLD. I'm Mattei. Thank you. Have a great day.